Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe ọ, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fa na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
Registration, do we have to put the pictures of ourselves and like a passport, a photo of ourselves and of our children? That is my question.
Yes, you have to do that. There is an option for putting pictures, photo of yourself or passport photo of yourself, and anybody that is at age of 18 will have automatic right to vote for the referendum, and those below 18 years don't have the right to vote. So if you have kids that are 18 years and above, they will have to register and then also vote. I remember that the system of referendum is in a way that as you are registering your data, submitting your details, you will come to a point where you will be asked yes or no for Biafra. So that is the voting for the referendum. You know, people are expecting us to come and start lining in Biafra land to vote. We don't know what we are coming with. You know, they will be expecting when they will see everybody line up like the zombies in the zoo where they're doing voting. We don't do that. Everything is electronic, and we're starting it from the scratch. Electronic voting for the very first time. You can never rig it. So as you are putting in your details, you will have the option to select the voting for the Biafra referendum and the yes or no. So those 18 years will have that option. Below 18 years will not have the option. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Tochukwu, you have the mic. Tochukwu Apara. Tochukwu, are you there with your question? Seko, you have the mic, sir. Seko.
Good afternoon, my fellow Biafrans. Good afternoon, Prime Minister. I thank you so much for your good work that you have been doing for our people, Ndibo, and the entire Biafra at large. I thank you so much. I thank Chukwuka Kabiyama for the great strength he has given to you. Sir, I want to ask a question. And this question goes like this. I am feeling seriously pain in my heart based on what I have passed through since starting from 2002 to the end of 2002. Let me say 2001 to the end of 2002, which I have called for your help. I have called for your assistance between I and my group, and I have always been kept aside. And for that reason, many things have gone so wrong, which I have also tested you. Sir, please, can you give me some lightings, the reason why you have abandoned some people who are ready to do everything for this struggle? Thank you, sir.
The reason is that I am not born nearby. Do you understand the Igbo I speak?
Yes, sir.
I am not done Igbo. So
yes,
you people must remain calm. It will get to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kinsley, you have the mic. Kinsley Membis. Okay. Francis, you have the mic. Francis, are you there? Okay. Romanus, you have the mic.
Success.
Romanus.
Success. After this space, get in touch with Seko.
Good afternoon. Am I coming out?
Success, are you there? Hold on, please.
My host, are you there?
Success, are you there? Or the network has kicked you out as usual?
No, I am here. I am here. I am here just attending to some other issues.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I will like to second now. I would like to second.
All right.
I would like to hear.
Thank you. And then give me a feedback.
Even I even have your WhatsApp number. I can just chat you once now. I have your WhatsApp number with me. I have tested you some times ago, which you have told
Oh yeah,
me
do
to.
that now. Do that now. Let me see.
Okay.
Kingsley, okay,
Yeah.
you have the mic.
Okay. Good afternoon, House. Good afternoon, my PM. Am I coming out clear?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Kingsley.
Okay. My good afternoon, my PM. My question goes like this, PM. Please, as we are looking up to see Biafra coming, because already we are in the land of Biafra by the school, by the special grace of Kika Abiyama. We are already seeing Biafra. My question goes like this: like all these our people now that they are pursuing them from here and there, from Lagos, from everywhere, from Kano, from everywhere and there, and they are coming down to Biafra land to make an investment. And now that they are making all this investment, because I heard from our supreme leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that when Biafra come, that we will redesign Biafra in such a way that everything will have its own way, like sewage and all this about. Now that all these people are making all this investment and building everywhere, what will happen when the Biafra come? How are they going to do all these structures that they are building anyhow? I rest my case. Thank you, my PM.
You don't invest in an Islamic state. I said today, whatever investment you are making under Nigeria is gamble. And gamble, it will always be. So if you are making investment, you are gambling your money. Biafra will build a standard city in all the states. So if whatever you are building today does not meet the standard, then it means that, like I said, it is a gamble. We are going to structure Biafra state, building sewage system. And if you go to the charter of Biafra, that issue you raised now have been addressed in the charter. So, including the land law, everything has been addressed in the charter of Biafra that was adopted in Helsinki. So we have prototypes for Biafra cities, and so shall it be. So no amount of structure or investment you put in Biafra land that will stop us from developing our nations, our state, and cities to international standard. We want to go beyond Dubai, and we are already in talk with companies that will build Biafra cities. So I don't understand why people will be saying they want to go and invest. Invest where? The reason why we are having our command in different parts of Nigeria today is for physical attack against our people. You see, the ejection of Biafrans in Lagos and other parts of Nigeria will happen. It is what God has ordained. It is going to happen. Nobody will stop it. It is part of the exodus. So those who want to invest, why would you invest when you can't guarantee the safety of your investment? Anywhere in Nigeria, you can never guarantee the investment. So what you need to do first is to get your freedom so that you can invest and be guaranteed that your investment will be secured, your properties will be secured. You better invest when the Biafra government are unveiling the urban development of Biafra. Today, we have unveiled the urban development where people can actually purchase apartment. And when Biafra has been declared and restored, you own apartment in the Biafra estate, in the Biafra structures. So that is the best investment you can do for now. But any investment you do under Nigeria is gamble. Believe me, and it is going to happen. For those who think that what we are doing is a joke, I want you to reflect back from 2022 or from 2021 till today. In 2021, you take us as a jokers. 2022, you were still taking us as jokers. But in 2023, one to go. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, my PM. A pleasure to speak with you today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we don't want you to be overstressed. We have well over 18 people waiting to pick up mic. When you're tired, just tell me, sir.
I will stop here to attend to other meetings. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Prime Minister. Thank you very much. And you have really, I think you spend a lot of time with fellow Biafrans this afternoon, and a lot of questions was answered, a clarification made, and nobody will say no roadmap. Your roadmap is as clear as the. So we thank you for showing up, and I will say, fellow Biafrans, I think we shall be drawing the curtains from here. Other Stella, you can get in their hands. Let us see what they have to say. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Affordile, you have the mic, sir. Affordile, your question.
Yeah. Hello, good afternoon. Am I coming out clear? Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans and Mike. I'm honored to be in this panel this afternoon. Please, I have a concern. Recently, I traveled to Ghana, and the place I'm staying, I met somebody who told me that the IPOB there before had some issues, and some of them were even locked up. So after some series of things they did, they were released. So since then, the struggle has not been there. IPOB has not been strong there. So some weeks back, some individuals came to where I stay, and they were kind of they are from IPOB, and they need support for ESN. I obviously knew they were not from the Biafra Republic government in exile. So I was just looking at them. Then after some people there gave them some amounts and they left. So since then, I've been trying to ask if there's any uh, process that will get the Biafra Republic government in exile to Ghana, because I know there are a lot of our people in Ghana. A lot, a whole lot of our people are here, and the Ghana as it stands now is a kind of left out. So I know those people should be from the fallen angels. So I want to know if there's anything that can be done for the Biafra Republic government in exile to have a liaison office, or if there's any plan for Ghana. So that's what I wanted to ask our PM.
Okay, I think we have a Ghana WhatsApp group. If it is still functioning or not, but don't worry. PM is listening, and okay, he's coming back. He's back. He's back.
Okay, thank you. I would be glad to hear from him.
Sir,
Yeah, he's
yes,
back
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Just he will answer the.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, we have Ghana family, and please get in touch with the media team, with the Minister of Communication, and you are going to get the information for Ghana family. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, my PM. I'm so grateful, sir. And thank you for everything you are doing for Biafrans. We are taking notes, and I know Chukwu Kikabiama will give you all the strength and the doggedness you need to take us to the promised land. You see?
Thank you. Thank you. Then okay, These three people raising hands, please be fast about it. I don't have time. I need to go for
Okay,
that. Please.
Uchenna, Desmond, you have the mic, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Sister Stella. Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon to our Prime Minister and the co-host, Mr. Success. I have a question, and like the last speaker said something about like admin or the Biafra Republic government in exile in Ghana. So in where I'm living in Georgia, Tbilisi precisely, that we also need something like this because this issue of not having admin made a lot of people to be like afraid.
Georgia,
So my question,
Georgia in USA, right?
no, Georgia in old Soviet Union.
Okay, okay,
So my
okay.
question is how can because other countries are also inclusive because so many of our Biafran brothers and sisters who are interested to be to support the Biafra government in exile in one way or the other, they are afraid because of security reasons in their place of
Okay,
residence.
what you
What
will
can we
do?
do?
What you will do? See what you will do, eh? To cut this story short. On Saturday, make sure you appear on the fundraising. Then state the
Okay,
type of job you are representing. Then it will be granted. So on
all right.
Saturday, from 7 to 8 p.m. Biafran time, the fundraising will kickstart. So make sure you join through the Zoom. It's going to be a Zoom gathering, and
Yes, I was there. Yes, I was there last time. Sorry for for interrupting you. So I was there last time, and our Minister of Information, he misheard me because I told him Georgia, Tbilisi, Georgia, but he thought that it's Tbilisi is Georgia in the United States of America. So yeah. So and the question I also wanted to ask is how can we be able to talk to people who are they are afraid of security reasons, because of the way our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya. So many people are afraid. They want to support, but they are afraid. So how can we support? How can I just wanted to ask our PM how can we gather
Nobody should be.
confidence?
It's okay. Nobody should be afraid of supporting his government. We are not running a group. This is not a
Yeah.
group. This is a government, duly recognized government by international and local law. So we are government, and anybody who is still afraid of supporting Biafra now, I think he is just giving that as an excuse to himself and not to others. Others who are supporting, what have happened to them? People are in the field with the gun fighting battles. What have happened to them? You see people here every time their faces are over social medias. What has happened to them? So anybody who is giving freedom as an excuse is not ready for this very freedom, and they should not be taken serious. We are running the government and not a group. So tell them that.
Okay.
Raf, Mazi Raf, you're welcome.
Yeah,
If you
thank
have
you.
something to say.
I want to say, I want to
Thank
talk to our brother in Tbilisi. Please get your people and our people around there in Tbilisi, preach the gospel of the Biafra Republic government to them. If you have been able to do that and you get a number of people, even if you start with 5 people, 10 people, then you will get them together and then you have a WhatsApp group. It's very important.
Yes, already I created a WhatsApp group and I have about 10 people already. So, but this question I asked so that these guys that because before what I did, I have to ask question. I called a lot of people, so I asked them question. Are they supporting our PM? Are they supporting our government in exile? So they said yes. I said okay. I'm creating a first WhatsApp group
Beautiful.
chat. So
Have you been
some
able? Have you been able to
yes.
access the website yourself? Have you been able to make any donation? Is it easy for you to make donations?
Yes, I made the notion last time, and the admin of North and South America actually helped me to pay.
Beautiful.
It helped me last time.
Beautiful.
So yes.
So those of them that are willing to do the same, teach them how to do it. Those that cannot do it, you will help them to do it, and then it generates receipts to them by their email. All you need to do is just collect their email address and do it while they are there. Show them they will do it, and they will get their receipts. Then on fundraising, we'll call their names, and just like that, the gospel will be spread. If you have the WhatsApp number, send me the number so that we'll put it in the media. So people from all across Georgia will get in touch with you. Okay, just send me your number.
Okay.
All right.
My WhatsApp number, right?
Yeah, send it to me.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. I will do that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Tech guy, you have the mic, sir. Tech guy.
Good afternoon, my fellow BIAFRANs. Good afternoon, everybody. Please, this I wanted directing this question directly to Master Simon, but since Success is here, I can go ahead, and Raphael again is here. I can go ahead and direct the question to him.
Tech
What
guy.
happened to the tech guy
We
is
can't hear
off,
you
and
anymore. Where are you?
he's off. He's off. He's having a very big
Okay.
issue.
John Repository.
Yeah, John should be the last person. Success say he has a lot to do. So let John be
Yeah.
the last
Yes.
person so that Success will get along.
Yeah.
All right. Can I speak?
Yes, sir, John.
All right. Good afternoon, Madam Stella, and good afternoon to my able Prime Minister. I don't know if I'm coming out clearly.
Yes, sir.
All right. I want to deliver a message to my Prime Minister. I don't know, is he still around?
Deliver your message, you will get it.
Okay, fine. The last time our Prime Minister talked about putting a stop to the natural resources all these thieves are taking from our land if they don't negotiate with the right people, which is de facto government. And after he said that, I could no longer sleep. Anytime I close my eyes, it will look as if they are drilling everything. I don't know if our Prime Minister could give us probably a timeline at which that warning could be given to them in order to stop anything they are taking from that land without talking with the right people. So that is all I wanted to know. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we are not giving anybody a timeline. Like, take for instance, as you saw it happening in Bakassi region of Biafra, we are not giving anybody a timeline. If we catch you, that is your end. As a soldier, or as an engineer, or as a worker, or a rig worker, whatever. And in Bakassi, there is a red line. In the maritime region of Bakassi Peninsula, please, can you mute yourself, please?
John, mute yourself. And Uche, two of you mute yourselves.
So in the region of Bakassi, which is part of Biafra, we draw the red line there. And the two joint border securities has been doing everything possible to ensure that drilling went on. So long as this war is concerned, there is nothing about a negotiation. We will stop them from drilling first. They will have to renegotiate. Already we gave the people drilling at the Bakassi region a very soft landing. Pay a simple tax to the Biafran government, recognize the Biafran government, and pay them a tax. You can continue your drilling. They thought it was a joke. Yesterday, they came, a few days ago, they were at the Bakassi with the chief of defense to Cameroonian army, and they did their jamboree and left. Yesterday, a lot of them gave their life to Christ for judgment. At that very same maritime border, the drilling point. So we don't consider anything now or whatsoever. There's nothing like giving them timeline. We have already written to them for recognitions. They must recognize the Biafran government, and that's all. Until they will be the one to look for us. Where are we? What are we supposed to do? Then we tell them this is what you are going to do. Then we have to lift the red line and put on a normal crossing line for them. But for now, there is no drilling in Biafra. Any drilling is illegal. And if you are caught, you're on your own. So that's it. Thank you.
I hope Shell is inclusive in this your
Every
narration, right?
oil firm that has agreement with Nigeria, the Total, the F, Shell, ExxonMobil, all of them put together are part of this. We are saying there's no exclusion. What has Shell done to us? Shell sponsored the genocide against Biafra in 1967. In fact, we don't even have to accept agreement from Shell.
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Kunisi, when I saw any and many rock on Basinketa, as a Kubasinketa Mano Noma, I think which Korea zero, and the Cosidi, and the king of the Ifabia from Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisiko when you were telling Kozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Kubasta Makaya Bifa, Kabaroke drop on your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani in the Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.